I wish I would have gotten the first startup, but she's running, idling fine. What she was doing, she was popping the PCM fuse, which is this one right here, the 20. This is the fuel pump relay. I'm gonna have to go get me one, the 5-prong one. This is the AC one. I was doing some research, and the AC one goes here. But apparently you can swap them and turns it on, which it did, but I don't think I can run it without the 5th prong, whatever the 5th prong is. I probably can't run it without it, but at least I know that that relay was bad. And see, the first startup, it popped this. Or did it pop it all the way? I don't know. It looks burnt, but anyways, I popped another one in, put the relay, pulled it, put it back in, and it started. So I'm just letting it idle, see if it'll turn off on its own. But oh my god, I'm ecstatic. Like, I don't want to get my hopes up, but she's running. Like, she's running. I can't believe it. So I might start putting this thing together tomorrow. I'm not gonna go to work, so I'll start putting this thing together, and maybe go on the first test drive if I get it put back together. But yeah, guys, the truck is for now alive and on, which is crazy to me. But yeah, hopefully I get a couple more videos of it tomorrow. If she keeps, I'll go get that relay tomorrow and see if she keeps wanting to turn on, and if she does, then we're golden, boys. What is going on, guys? My name's Eric, and I'm here tonight trying to fix a leaking fuel line on a 1999 Chevy Suburban 5.7. I wish I would have caught the leak on video, but I'm gonna try to see if this will work, and if it does, if it doesn't, at least y'all know and don't make the same mistake, or y'all can use the same, fix I did. So let's get started. Let me show you what we're working with. Alrighty, guys, so here we are underneath the truck. The fuel tank is dropped, and this right here is the quick connect fitting that goes over this. Now I already did all the wiring and stuff. This is a brand new fuel pump, even though it looks dirty because it's been under the muddy truck. But anyways, so this fitting was leaking while it was on here. Right now it's not gonna lock, of course, right? But this fitting carries a quick connect right in here. Sorry for my fingers, got mud and stuff on them. And then interestingly enough, it carries this like metal washer, and then this little black O-ring over this one. It goes all the way in the bottom down there. And then we have this yellow one. But okay, so we have the washer, O-ring, and then washer, O-ring, which if y'all can see is all damaged, and it's even cut in the middle. So, and then to hold all this together, you have this little black clip that I kind of messed up trying to take out, but I don't think that one has much to do with it. It's the seals, and if y'all can see, this seal was already all torn up. So what I did is I already took the little cardboard piece off, but it was a Dorman Universal O-ring assortment, 16 count, and it's gonna look like, let me close this up. It's gonna look like this on the inside, on the front of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up and see if we can match up at least that top ring up, and if we can, we'll match up both of them so we can replace both. And then we'll turn the truck on or put the key in forward position and see if it's still leaking. And if it's not, then there you go, guys. Y'all can have a $3, $4 fix instead of buying a $100+ line here. And if not, then y'all know that you know, at least this doesn't work, I'm gonna have to find either this fitting somewhere, which I've been looking for it for a week and I have not found it, or, you know, like I said, buy the whole line. But let me get up from under the truck and take these little O-rings with me, and I'm gonna try to see if I can match these up real quick. All right, guys, so this is what we got. So they're not exactly the same, but it's also because, you know, these are 20 years old, going on, no, 21 years old. But this yellow one right here is the one that I need to replace for sure. And I got this one out of the assortment pack. I'm only gonna be able to use like 2 of these, and the rest of them are, for now, useless. I'm sure they come in handy one day, but I can show y'all. This yellow one is just about, if not the exact same size as this one. So that's the top one. And then this is my old bottom one, I believe. Yeah, this one's beat up too. It's the old bottom one. And then I got this one. Bam. Looks about the same size. So what we're gonna do is take both of these with us and to the truck. I'm gonna try to record at the same time. We're gonna install these in the truck. All right, guys, so let's see. This black one is gonna go first, but we have got to see if I can hold this or set this down. Oh, dang it. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to. Sorry, guys. But let's see if I can record and do this at the same time. Okay, that's not sitting right. Maybe. Let's see, is that sitting right? I think so. Okay. Okay, there goes that one. Now we need this little O-ring. Okay. This one's gonna be a pain. Come on. Let me try to get this thing, see if I can get it in there. It's the last one, and then I'll get back with you guys. All right, guys, so here's where we're at. I should have bought 2 of those packets just because the O-ring that I replaced the bottom, the one that I replaced the bottom with, I had to take out and use the one that I was already at the bottom since it wasn't completely torn. And then I used the one that I used at the bottom at the top since that was the one that was split in half. That's the only way they both fit. And if you can see straight through. Now, all I need left is to put this clip in there and see if it works. If it doesn't, then, you know, oh well. I tried it. It's a cheap fix that I tried just because I figured the O-rings were bad. And sure enough, that one was split right in half. Let me try to put this in here with one hand. Oh man, why do you keep having trouble? Come on. All right, so now that's on. And before, I'm gonna just mention this, I replaced this clip as well inside. So now it's been off once. But before I did this, replace that clip, this fitting on here had so much play. Like this one here has no play at all. Let's go ahead and put this on real quick. Oh man, come on. Is it not going on all the way? Oh man, might be an issue. I need her to come on all the way. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so now this is on. Let's go ahead and flip. I wish I could set y'all up here. Maybe I can, but go flip the key on the on position. Oh yeah, I can maybe set y'all down here. No, it's gonna move. Let me see. So if I go down any. All right, so I can't set y'all up, but let me go put the key forward. All right, so the key is in the on position there. I heard the fuel pump kick on. Let's come back here and check if it's leaking. So far, it is not leaking. Let's go ahead and turn the truck on. All right, truck is on. And well, no leak. The truck turned off for some reason, but we got no leak. So, oh, you know what? It's probably because the tank's all the way on the side. But no leaks, guys. Hell yeah. Let me go try this one more time because we don't have this other plug connected. Not too sure, but I mean, it might be, you know. Oh man. Well, guys, it is now the following morning after messing with the fuel pump. After that clip that y'all last saw right now, the tank unfortunately dropped and the line that I had just fixed snapped inside of the quick connect. So now I need a whole new fuel pump, and hopefully the seal works. I mean, it should still work. I mean, it's already in place, but it just sucks. I was so mad last night. You don't even understand. I just started punching the tires and stuff. So I was under the truck. I just laid back. I was like, you know what? And I kept trying to like work with the fuel pump, pull it out. At that point, I was like, well, might as well pull it out, disconnect the lines. But then the line on the other side that we didn't mess with didn't want to come out. So I was like, you know what? I'm done. So I just left it at that. But so then we will have another video, or maybe just an update later on a new fuel pump and see if the line's still working or not. But with that, I'm gonna leave it at, you know, leave this, let this end the video. And the fix worked, the O-ring replacement worked, and the clip
The quick release clip that's in there, it was just, you know, something that I wanted to do for peace of mind, because it had play in it. So I mean, other than that, I mean, I can't really say much, but it was like the assortment pack of O-rings was $4. The clip packages was $4 or $5 as well. Tops, you're probably gonna spend maybe $11-12 if you don't have the tool to remove the fuel line, and if you don't, they'll be like 15 bucks. I purchased myself the fuel pump relay as well. That was another $17, so it was maybe about a $30 fix for me. But I mean, I'd rather do that than buy a fucking $150 line. So, but yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys can use this, you know, this fix, I'm glad to have helped. And if it does help you guys, leave a comment, a like down the video below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.